Hello and welcome to my video. In this video, I am making some green split pea soup with high fiber, low sodium split peas. I've added a whole bag of split peas to the pot. And the reason I'm showing you this is once you rinse the split peas and then soak them overnight in water. And then when you start to boil the split peas, it creates a foam up top. So as soon as you start boiling these, you'll notice there is a foam. And if you're not paying attention, the foam rises up and it makes a nice mess over the pot. Normally, everyone says that you need to skim off the foam. So you don't want to eat the foam, but you can. But normally just skim off the foam. So the split peas are in here and I'm starting to boil them again. So I turned it down because I'm going to clean this up first. But I wanted to make a video of that. So I will add some chopped yellow onion, and I'm adding some vegetables. I've got some Veg-All Original 7-in-1 mixed vegetables. And then I've got some carrots, which are already sliced. And then some of the seasonings I will be adding is the garlic salt, some no salt seasoning, garlic powder, little garlic, onion powder, and then a little bit of basil. And I'm just going to add a little bit of that slowly. So now I'm going to turn this back on to boil. Well, I'm going to clean this up and then I'm going to let this boil. And then once it boils up, you want to add in all of your vegetables, carrots, mixed vegetables, your onion. You can add ham, but I'm making this just pure vegetarian. You can add your ham or your meat, and then your seasonings last. So, and then boil it for you boil and then you simmer for up to 2 hours, stirring about every 20 minutes. And there. But if you don't watch the foam as they're starting to boil, it will boil over very quickly. And that's the green foam. So, anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope my split peas turn out great.